Hey, good morning, everybody. It is day 13 of the 30-day upload challenge. I am, it's probably about 9 o'clock here this morning. I've been rolling since about 5:30. It is a water test day for the 46 Nortec Repower. Should have it outside, put it on the hose here in a little bit, get it running, do a systems check, do a fluid leaks check, make sure everything's happy. Props are on. It's pretty much ready to rip. So, exciting day, busy day. Gonna make this quick. We'll run you guys along. I'll catch some video in and out of the building, get the boat ramp, maybe in the water, and we'll get it going. Let's go. A couple things I got to button up this morning. I have to put plugs in some of the water pickups because of the step bottom of the boat. It sucks too much air, unfortunately. So center motor. So basically what we do is we have a tap the hole, run it in, run the plug in, run some little bit of glue with it because it's not metal anymore, now it's plastic. So got that one done. I got this one done. Keep sticking my finger in the camera. Got to do the center too, and run it outside. All right, engine test went good. Had a little drama with some harnessing with the steering, but got it sorted out. Ran the engines for about 10 minutes a piece of the hose. Everything looked good, no leaks. Steering all good. We had to put new lines on it from the 500s, they didn't work. Other than that, pretty happy, knock on wood. Had some last minute surprises, a couple challenges along the way, harnessing and just adapting from the 500 to the 400, just some Mercury quirks. But other than that, we are going to the boat ramp, go shake it out, see what we got. Stay tuned. All right, we're back at the yacht club. Made a couple of adjustments on the boat out of the water. We're gonna go out and take it, see if we can get a top speed run out of it and see what we get. So hang tight. Here we go. All right, we're home with Frank. She smells a rabbit here somewhere. Not like she's some kind of great hunter, but anyways, we're home, wrapping up the day. So that's another one in the books. Didn't get the results I was hoping for out of the boat today. I think, unfortunately, we're probably too high on the motors. I trusted Nortec to give me some good guidance on the motor height. And I think they, yeah. So anyways, I'm going to go run the boat again tomorrow, take a look at a couple different things, just verify a couple pieces of information. But I think, unfortunately, the boat's coming back to the shop, and we're going to have to raise the motor height a little bit. So anyways, another one in the books. We're chugging along. I think we're almost halfway to 30 days. So, yeah, appreciate you guys hanging on. Looks like we're getting some decent views on some stuff. Some stuff's still a turd, but we'll figure it out. And we'll see you tomorrow for another one. Appreciate you guys.